This is the second week in the shop for the 70 Firebird, and they are finding all kinds of cancers. The rocker panels, the fenders, and it looks like it will be more sane to replace the whole floor pan also. Also, this is not the original color. This is the original color. The carousel red is actually orange, so got to figure out what this color really is, so when they do some touch-up paint that we can get something that kind of matches. Both fenders are probably trashed, so gives me the opportunity to get the TransAm fenders with the extractors. The barring here is to keep the frame straight. So, this fender's off. It looks like a major accident on this side of the car as far as the bent up inner fenders and extensive damage on the outer fenders. So talk about putting lipstick on a pig. I've got brand new chrome mirrors on doors that are probably ready to rot to pieces. The back end looks pretty good. And of course the rear chrome bumper is perfect. So shop's gonna be diligently working on it every week. So we will come back and see what kind of progress they make. Unfortunately, it's still kind of in a take apart and see how bad stuff is phase. But we're getting all the pieces together that when the body and frame is in good shape, they can start dropping pieces in. And this is the second week in the shop for my 1970 TransAm clone. Since the fenders are probably both going to need to be replaced, we can look at rolling them or doing some work on the inner fenders so that we can have more flexibility in the front wheels. I think I need at least 19 by 9s so I don't suffer any issues with understeer with too small tires on the front. But it's pretty gutted. So all new interior is going to be in, back speaker shelf and everything. Because the back seats are not going to be put back in, the fabricator suggested just kind of squaring off the back area here and putting in a nice shelf. And that sounds like a pretty good idea. Till next week.